Hey guys, it's EnderPigFTW here, and today I'm playing some Hunger Games, but for this video it's kind of special because it's my first video with my texture pack. So I made this texture pack maybe like a week ago, and it turned out decent. Look at the background, it's a diamond. The diamonds look cool, they're like purple and default color. So let's go ahead and go into Hunger Games. So look at the carrot. He's so cute. He's a cute little carrot. Okay, let's just join this one. Now I know I haven't recorded in a while. It's because I've been busy with really a lot of crap. I'm planning to do a modded series with some friends in a bit. Look out for that. And I'm just gonna start solo multiplayer very soon. So look out for that too. Okay, so I'm not teaming with anyone today because everyone sucks. They suck. Whoa, I'm a Steve. Steve. Oh, I feel bad for him. Check out the GUI though, and look at me. I'm like really small. Oh crap, we're starting. The items look really cool, like that. Okay, I got pretty good stuff. Okay, I got the stone sword. Wait, I want that chest. The hearts are purple now. That's pretty much all I can say right now. That was changed. The only things I changed for the armor was, oh, thank God I made that jump. I changed the iron, gold, and I believe diamond. Diamond armor, I can't show you to you right now because no one gets diamond armor in Hunger Games unless you're like really up. Because diamonds are pretty rare in this server. Okay, I have like 8 seconds till grace period. Hi. What? What? Where are you? Wait, what does that say? What does that mean? Okay. I don't know. Stupid jumps. Let's just organize my inventory real fast. There we go. I'm surprised no one died. Everyone, maybe like 5 people die after grace period's over. Goodbye. Okay. No, I said goodbye. I don't want you. Leave me alone. We're not friends anymore. We're through. I'm sorry. It's not you. It's me. It's just no. It's not one there. I thought there was one over there, but there wasn't. I like this map because I do like pretty good. Oh no, Mr. Cake. The texture for the cake, I edited for a little bit of purple. Ah, stupid lag. I'm sorry. I did that so I can like get a better FPS boost. There we go. Sort of better. Whatever. I'll just deal with it. I know there's a chest right here. Yes! Diamond. Check out the diamond texture. It's like kind of purplish and... Oh, never mind. Mr. Carrot! Hi, Mr. Carrot. I'm gonna put that back so no one killed me. Here we go, let's just eat this real fast. There we go. Oh, that was cool. Fill up my whole thing. No one takes this route. It's kind of surprising because I always take this route and no one takes it, so. Here we go, let's just... hurry up. I'll make it. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Got this chest. I hate how I always get arrows but no bow. Like nothing. I know there's like some chests that give you like 50, like a stack of 50. Well, a stack is hashtag mindblood. Give me lag. Oh look, someone. Hi, person. Hi, Mr. Person. Hi, Mr. Person. Don't lag on me right now. Don't lag on me right now. Nice. GG. GG. Okay, cool. See if you left anything in that chest. Get away from me. I don't like you. You're ugly. Stupid lag. You're ugly. You're ugly. I don't like you. Get away. Ew. Okay, cool. Probably didn't. Nope. That would have really sucked if I didn't. If I died in that battle. Oh my god, that would have sucked. Yes, I think he had the same armor as me. I'm not sure, but a worse sword. And he had the advantage because. Oh no, I had the advantage because I was under him. Okay, cool. I want to try to do like some PvP series, so leave in the comments if you want to see that or something else. I'm not sure because I'm gonna start some new series soon, like the modded series and the survival multiplayer. That's not coming until March, I believe. No one's behind me. Okay. Usually I get some maybe like 2 or 1 diamonds in this route, and sometimes I get like 20 20 iron ingots. Oh, Mr. Cake, I almost left you. I'm sorry. Whoa, this game's gonna go fast. That's pretty good for me, so my recording doesn't take forever. Oh, here we go. 1 chest. Oh, nice. Hashtag upgrade. I never got that chest. I feel bad for it. It's ugly. It's... Oh, I missed that chest. Oh, lag. Oh, thank God I went back for that. Okay, cool. I'm gonna go to the Hollywood sign in a second. I just need to finish my route. No, there's 8 people. Okay, that's good. That means at least 4 people need to die. Oh my God, background music. I'm sorry. No, get away. Stop freaking with the music. Ah, shut up, please shut up. I hate this town. Oh my God, it's so loud. Okay, no one's in here. Good. TNT across the whatever this is. I think it's a laboratory. I'm not sure. Observation missions. Layer is the same way. I don't care. Cool. Wait, let me just. An enchanted diamond sword. That would be op. GG. But I need to get to the Hollywood sign real quick to make it. Oh, GG. Okay, cool. Did I go? Yeah, I did. Okay. This route usually takes a long time, but I think I'll just skip to the Hollywood sign right now, and I'll come back after that. Unless I like meet up with some people. Oh, I'm so stupid. I took that fall damage. Okay, try to heal up. Oh my God, fall damage. No. Oh, thank God, vines. Yes, thank you, vines. It's right there, I think. Oh, hello. Hello, mine turtle. Hello. So random. If you get that reference, I love you so much. Okay, Hollywood sign. Here we go. Really? What? Oh crap, there's someone. Hurry up, make it. No. Come on, come on, come on. Stop lagging, stop lagging. I think he wants a team. Oh, you like the diamond texture? The diamond sword texture? Oh, he's running. Is he running? Stupid lag. Don't lag on me. Hi. I really want to kill him, but no, don't lag on me. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. Come on. Come on, come on. Please, please, please. Come on, you stupid lag. Oh my god. There. Wait. Here. Let me try to bait him with, like, have the cake, bro. What? Yeah. Eat it. It's not poisoned. I can't poison it. Come on, die. 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 Really? Really gonna go with the TNT? Fucking snipe you. Okay, whatever. I'll let you slide. Shit, he's coming back. I want some cake, okay? I want my cake. Leave me and my cake alone. I want my cake. Yeah, to run away, just run away. My cake and me and my cake are too powerful for you. Me and my cake and my diamond sword will beast you. Really? Me and my cake will beast the fuck out of you. Just remember that, okay? GG. GG. Get away, I don't want you. There we go. That's what I want. I'll have the cake. Yeah, I'll just have the cake. I have to look out for some people though, because I don't want to die right now. Okay. Get away, you're ugly. My cake. My cake. Let's go to spawn to enchant this, because I really want to win. Like, I want a recording where I actually win the game. If... Oh, a cake. Very tempting, okay. Very tempting. Please be spawned over here. No, I think spawn is more over here. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's across this. Oh, but this is where I have to make that jump. And if I fail that jump, then that's not GG. Oh, do you like the beams? The texture for the beams are purple now. Mostly everything in this texture is purple. That's what I like about this texture. Oh, okay, made that jump. Yeah, okay, cool. Someone's here. Oh, it's a Steve, okay, and really bad armor. I got this. LOL, noob of the year. Hashtag noob of the year. Okay, I'm gonna run away. Run, please, run. Really? Yo, I don't think he has anything. I'll just enchant it at deathmatch. Wow. Oh my god, the lag. Wait, let me eat real fast. Okay. Come on. Get to spawn. Don't think I'm gonna make it. Let's combine that for that. Get out of my inventory. I want that cake. Place TNT. Cool. Die. He's behind me. I know he's behind me. Okay, cool. I killed that guy. Oh, there's a girl. Holy crap. And I'm lagging really badly. Great. I just want to kill her. Yeah, I'm just gonna kill her. Really? Flint and steel? Oh crap, I actually fell for that. Nope. Some TNT will do the trick. Oh my god, I okay, just heal up. What was that? Whoa! I hate that glitch. That one arrow glitch. Oh my god, what was that? She one-shotted me. Oh, that was horrible. Well, thank you guys for watching. Go hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. And that's pretty much it for this one. Thanks for watching. Oh my god, I could have won that. That was not a GG. But thanks for watching. Have a great day. And yeah, bye guys. See you in the next episode.